Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get car emotes in the game. The most consistent method for obtaining these unique expressions is through the game's premium currency, known as unknown cash or UC. This versatile currency is your gateway to a wide array of exclusive items, including the coveted car emotes that let you express yourself on the battlefield. Unknown cash is the lifeblood of the game's economy, enabling you to unlock special content. You can acquire UC by purchasing it directly with real money through secure payment options like credit cards or digital storefronts. Additionally, the game occasionally rewards players with small amounts of UC for completing daily challenges or participating in special limited-time events. One of the most popular ways to get emotes, including potential car emotes, is through the Royal Pass. By purchasing the premium version of the Royal Pass, you gain access to a tiered reward system. As you complete various in-game missions and increase your pass level, you will unlock a multitude of exclusive items, often including unique emotes to use with your vehicles. Beyond the Royal Pass, keep an eye on special in-game events. These limited-time opportunities often introduce unique emotes as rewards for participation or completing specific tasks. Furthermore, the in-game shop regularly updates its inventory, allowing you to directly purchase desired emotes using your unknown cash. Always stay informed about new releases to grab your favorite car emotes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.